Let's take a look at this multiple choice question from farhatlectures.com. Which of the following best describe the purpose of the firm's system of quality management for non-issuer engagement? So what's the purpose of this? What's the purpose? Is it to eliminate all engagement risk? Now, every time we talk about quality management, internal control, one of the options would always be, I'm just telling you right now, eliminate all risk. Look, we cannot eliminate all risk. We have to live with risk. Risk would always exist, therefore A, easy elimination out. We're left with 3. To provide absolute assurance that financial statements are free of misstatement. If we know anything about audit, we don't provide absolute assurance. The maximum assurance we can provide, you guessed it, it's reasonable. B is out because the word absolute is there. That's great. We're down to 50-50. To provide reasonable assurance, that sounds reasonable, that the engagement comply with the professional standard and applicable legal requirement. I think that's fair enough, but let's look at D, just to make sure D is not the right answer. To ensure that each engagement partner independently design quality procedures. No, we don't want to do that. We want to have a firm-wide responsibility, not limited to individual engagement. Therefore, D is out. So the best answer is C, reasonable assurance that the engagement comply with the professional standard and applicable rules, legal requirement that we are conducting. Now, if you're using this at Farhat Lectures, answering this choice, you could always ask the AI to explain the topic. If you kind of forgot or misunderstand this topic, you can ask the AI to explain the correct and incorrect answer a little bit more if you would like to. And if you'd like this topic and you want to practice again, click on create a similar MCQ. What should you do now? Go to Farhat Lectures, look at additional resources, lectures, podcast lessons, multiple choice, AI, so on and so forth. The best investment you can make, whether you are a student, CPA exam candidate, is invest in yourself. God bless.
Want to see more CPA exam multiple choice questions solved step by step? At farhatlectures.com, you will get hundreds of video solved MCQs step by step, including previously released AI CPA questions, previously released AI CPA simulation, in-depth lectures and resources to prepare for the CPA exam, AI tools that's going to help you study smarter, not harder, CPA exam podcast lessons where you can learn on the go. And also you will get the personal guidance of support of Farhat and his team. If you are serious about passing the CPA exam, this is your next step. Visit the website farhatlectures.com, start your free trial, and I hope to see you on the website.